In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a searchable field in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the account you want to update. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen because that's where the main navigation menu is located. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Gohighlevel stores many of the configuration options for your account, including the field settings that control how records can be searched and organized. After the settings page opens, stay on the left-hand side and look for Custom Fields. Click on Custom Fields to open the area where your existing fields are managed. This section is especially useful when you want to control what information is available across your records and how that information can be used. Once you're in the Custom Fields area, move over to the right-hand side of the screen and look for the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions related to your field settings. Click the three dots and then choose Edit Searchable Fields. When the Searchable Fields window opens, the next thing you'll need to do is select the object you want to work with. Choosing the correct object is important because searchable fields can vary depending on the type of record you're editing. Inside this section, you'll see the searchable fields that are already enabled. In this example, the fields shown are name and email. These are common default searchable fields, since they make it easy to find records quickly. To expand your search options, add business name as a searchable field. This can be very helpful if you often look up records by company rather than by an individual's name or email address. Adding the business name field can make searches faster and more practical, especially for teams working with business clients or accounts. After you've added business name, review your selection to make sure everything looks correct. This is a good habit anytime you're changing settings, since even a small adjustment can affect how data is searched later on. Finally, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, your updated searchable field settings will take effect, and you'll be able to search using the new field you added. And that's it. You've successfully edited the searchable fields in Gohighlevel. If you're making similar updates for other objects, you can repeat the same process and customize the search experience to better match how you work.